What are you doing? Yeah. U-turn dive.
19. As we've been reporting this week, there is a controversial change from the CDC. Outside the CDC headquarters, despite a world of criticism, health officials at the CDC are trying. If you've been exposed but don't have symptoms, you don't necessarily need a test for COVID-19. In a 70-minute acceptance.
And exit dive.
What the country will face if he is.
Yes, you could try looking. Red light runner. You're an idiot! And next dive! Stop sign. See that stop sign? Red light runner. No, lane splitting's illegal, you shit stain. And the dummy is... Oh my! How the hell did you do that? You make a stop and just pull on from the BMW, no problem. And straight from the turn lane, Toyota. Jesus. No. Thank you. Uber. Yeah. Do you fucking mind? I almost hit you know that? And she ignores me. Yep.
Thanks, Madison. Good afternoon. Starting with downtown, low deck 93 Spine Assembly Square, right into the O'Neill. Connectors, bit sluggish both ways. To and from 93.
How are you doing?
You jammed there over a mile through a work zone at the Chelsea curve. The airport tunnels are on time. No issues on all the river roads. Southern Town Express.
What the hell are you doing, stupid?
To the Ponton again, getting through the splits a little slow.
Left blinker, right turn, straight from the left turn lane. Good move, Camry. Thank you. Thank you. Do you not see my friggin' headlights on here? Roll stop while you're at it. Yeah. 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 See? Just like that. You want to move your ass, dummy? Haha, pass fail. Oh, nice cutoff.
Look now at the latest coronavirus numbers here in the Bay State. Total confirmed cases since the beginning of the outbreak. Now
What the hell did you just do?
118,309.
Jesus Christ. Moron. It's very much a red light runner. What the hell did you do that for? Should I assume you're a Toyota? What are you doing? What the frig are you doing? Moron! Oh, shit. Numbskull. It's a red light, Mr. Cyclist. Applies to you too. Mm-hmm. Stop Lexus. Stop Lexus. Stop Tesla. Stop Tesla. Stop Tundra. Stop Tundra. Stop Tundra. Yep, Toyota runs the red light. Because Toyota. Another turn signal, Mr. Flatbed. Patch Towing Company, Seabrook, New Hampshire.
Portsmouth College president, as we told you last week, sent out a scathing letter to parents saying that behavior as his party was reckless.
Fuck you.
Leaf lending after leaf.
Good move, stupid. So one way, Mr. Mail Truck. Uber and Lyft. This can't be good. As predicted. Get off my fucking ass. Get off. Get off. Get off my ass. I like how you decided to speed up when I went around you. It's very nice of you. And here we go. Scumbag, scumbag. Dude, killed. Yeah, sidewalk. What a concept. What the dude? What the hell? What's a moron doing? Yellow. Red. What the hell? Dude, what are you doing, you moron? Everybody just freaking go. Yeah. Christ on a crutch. Lady, get off my ass. Sake. Don't think he stopped. Don't think you want to stop. No, that wasn't a stop at all, now was it? Get off my ass again, lady. Thank you. And she doesn't stop again. Yep. And he didn't stop there. Nope. 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 And more no stopping back there. Yeah.